tree and animals together in different combination intentionally established and managed. To get multiple products and benefits instead of individual and separate. What is the meaning? आप लोग इंटेंसिव का वर्ड क्या होता है? What is the meaning of intensive? सुना है आपने? लेबर इंटेंसिव. Have you heard about capital intensive agriculture, labor intensive agriculture, technological intensive agriculture, fertilizer intensive agriculture? Yes, or India has labor intensive. You must be knowing. In a small land, large number of laborers are there. And anything we have to do at a very high level. If I say that, तो हमें क्या करना होगा? We have to be also very intensively utilize this. If the trees are growing along the agriculture field, we have to keep on pruning it also. We have to cut it also. We have to be intensively involved. Yes or not? We have to intensively involve to give a proper fertilizer also. वो तो अपना देख रहा है. We have to see that sometimes there can be only changes some. We have to see the proper use of fertilizer to get the maximum benefits. Proper use of irrigation. These are the things which you have to do intensively to get this kind of benefit. Getting my point? What I said that agroforestry practices are created and intensively managed to maintain their productive and protective function. हमें productive भी करना और साथ में सभी को तभी तो intensively fertilizer कैसा दिया जाए? We have to keep on pruning, नहीं तो crop क्या हो जाएगा? That will not be able to productive. So once we have to protect and another we have to increase the productive. And often involve cultural operation like cultivation, fertilization, irrigation, pruning and then different kind of things. समझ में आया? So what is the intensive? What is the meaning of? I said that agroforestry utilized, yes, intensive operations for the productive and protective form. It involves what? Intensive operations for the productive and protective form of agroforestry. Productive भी हो and साथ में क्या हो? Protective. And for that we have to utilize what? Intensively we have to go for fertilization, irrigation, management and at the same time pruning and thinning. पूरा prune करके thin करना होता है ना, pruning and then let less sun rays, more sun rays come onto the crop. Understood it? And वो जो हमें tree से जो मिलेगा leaves, that will be, I said that मैं कहाँ डाल दूंगा उसे? In our biogas chamber. Can I put along with the cow dung and then my house is running without taking LPG connection from the what? Government. मेरे पास हो या ना हो, but we started making self-sustaining. So write down agroforestry. Next is intensive. Agroforestry practice are created by using crop, tree, agroforestry are created by using crop, tree and animals for the multiple product and benefits through intensive use of fertilization, irrigation, pruning and thinning, pruning and thinning as a productive and protective approach, as a productive and protective approach. Productive and I said that next it is a पहला दो क्या देखा हमने? Yes, tell me what is the first? Intentional. Second one it is intensive. Next we have to see integrated, and thereafter we have to see, I said that, interactive. These are the four important I letters for agroforestry. If I am talking about integrated, so horizontally we have to integrate everything and vertically we have to integrate everything. Understood? I said like components are combined into a single integrated management unit. Like I said that IRDP, what is IRDP? Integrated Rural Development Program. क्यों नहीं से intensive rural development program कहा गया? Why it has been said? Why it has not been said as a holistic rural development program, but it has been said as an integrated rural development program? Yes. कभी सोचा ही नहीं. All those components. Suppose I said that an organization and a company is there. Yes. Within the organization and a company, within a company there is a different organization can be there. Means within a system there is a subsystems will be there, and every subsystem has a different function, but all the subsystems should work together to growth of what? तो ये क्या हो गया? इंटीग्रेशन. It is holistic. Subsystems should be utilized together to make the one benefit. It is known as what? तो तुमने holistic का definition, have you given the definition of holistic or you have given the definition of integrated? You know that if we see that there is an integrated rural development program, इससे पहले भी बहुत सारे rural development programs are going on. Yes or not? Going on. And these development programs are not in a bakwas. These all are good. But some due to hindrances, some due to problems, it has not been, has been able to get the result and give the result. So all the functionalities and importance of those earlier rural development program has been integrated. Getting my point? So जो पहले से भी चले आ रहे हैं उनको भी हमें क्या करना है? उसको इंटीग्रेट करना है. It is in the different kind of system it is working, and अब बोला गया कि हम लोग इंटीग्रेट करके अब उनको हम क्या करेंगे? उसका रिजल्ट फाइंड आउट करेंगे. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं आपस में होलिस्टिकली इंटीग्रेटेड जुड़े हुए हैं, लेकिन बहुत डिफरेंस है, ध्यान रखेंगे. देयर इज अ ग्रेट डिफरेंस. सिस्टम के अंदर सब सिस्टम है, सब सिस्टम्स आर होलिस्टिकली हेल्पिंग इट. दैट इज नोन एज व्हाट? होलिस्टिक अप्रोच टुगेदर. And integrated is coming in the form of other, it can be in a vertical integration or it can be in a horizontal integration. Getting my point? So if I am talking about here, components are combined into a single integrated management unit. Single integrated management unit. मेरी बात समझ रहे हैं? One unit Integration may be horizontal or vertical, above or below the ground. Use more of productive capacity of the land helps to balance the economic production and resource conservation. Tell me, what is the meaning of, here it is a horizontal integration, vertical integration, and above or below the ground. This is agroforestry. What is the meaning of horizontal integration? What is the meaning of vertical integration? What is the meaning of above or below the ground? Huh? Yes? Yes, Himanshu? Across ministry. Means all the ministries which are there in the, इसका मतलब कि सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री भी हम लोग इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. Yes. कुछ तो अभी मैंने सारा समझाया कि it is a complete integration of different functionalities, फिर then together it is coming. पहले कुछ और function से हमने बनाया and thereafter it has been included and then it is in a kind of integration has been there. और यहाँ पे integration may be, it has been, I said that may be horizontal integration, may be vertical integration. Yes, horizontal and vertical में आप क्या देखोगे? If I am talking about the, if it is, I said that agroforestry and above or below the ground, if I said that society case, what kind of society in our India, if we'll go into our rural areas, what kind of society we will have? Fourth grade, labor, सभी लोग हैं ना, yes or not? We have only one people या different kind of people are in the society. And then there is a marginal farmer, then there is an above the marginal, and then very rich farmers are there. ये सभी लोग इसका फायदा उठाएंगे तो it is a collective benefit. Yes, यदि हम लोग सभी एक farmer करेगा तो ज़्यादा फायदा होगा कि everyone is doing this one, then it will be. Now tell me, then it is a vertical horizontal. कैसा है ये? Involving all the strata of the rural society. Yes? Huh? Vertical integration. Yes, it is in which kind of it I said that? So it is I said that in a single components combined into a single integrated management into integration may be vertical or thereafter I am saying that horizontal. What is the meaning of horizontal now? Yes, tell me horizontal now. In horizontal it can expand. Vertical has a limitation, but I said that one strata it has a limited. Horizontal over the period, whatever the possibility in this field, whatever the things can come, that will be keep on expanding. Agroforestry ने तीनों चीजों को include कर चुका है, yes or not? It can be plants and crops, it can be plants and animals, it can be crops and animals, it can be different kind of it. If can be growing crops and trees along the river, it can be any, I said that it has a very large horizontal expansion. Agroforestry is not only limited just what बोल दिया गया, it is in a one, it is in a large horizontal expansion, it can lead to the anywhere, and at the same time above our ground, the ground के नीचे में भी हमें we have to preserve the soil quality, we have to preserve the tree which can be able to not competition, but at the same time if the trees are there maintaining the fertility, if the trees are there then helping in the what underground water recharge, and then above there is a different strata will help what is a crops and trees. So above or what is below the ground, horizontal, or maybe I said that vertical. इसका मतलब दिख रहा है, whole country is there. Yes. If the whole people and everything it has been included, जो भी हो सकता है, agroforestry is also including in a social forestry. And then Modi has said that, and the government is saying that if the agroforestry has been completely come into existence, then we must be able to achieve our what 33%. Social forestry perhaps cannot provide, but agroforestry provide us what to achieve 33%. Yes. हर एक को फूड भी मिलेगा, इससे भी क्या मिलेगा, सभी को फूड, फॉडर, फर्टिलाइजर, फ्यूल. यस, फूड, फॉडर, फर्टिलाइजर, फ्यूल, एंड देन बायोमास, बायोचार्कल, बायोगैस, एवरीथिंग विल गेट, एंड देन द रूरल पॉवर्टी, एवरीथिंग इट विल रिमूव. तो जो चीज चाहिए हमें, इट्स एन लार्ज एक्सपैंडेड एंड एट द सेम टाइम ऑल द स्टेट ऑफ सोसाइटी. तो समझ में आ रहा है, इंटीग्रेशन का मतलब है एवरी वन इज इंटीग्रेटेड. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? एवरी वन इज integrated, and for the soil purpose above or below the ground uses more of productive capacity of the land. Yadi if I have to use the more land productivity, more land, better to say capability. Yes or not? We have divided on the basis of 8 types of land capability. We'll do when I'll go for what is an agriculture. So is it land capability, better to say that utilize the capability of the land. So uses more of the productive capacity of the land to making the what utilize the more land capability, and helps to balance the economic production and the resource conservation. तो हमारा resource conservation होगा, water conservation will be there. Yes or not? होगा. Carbon dioxide conservation will be there. Yes. Water conservation will be there.